Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to mine free BNB for yourself every single second, guys. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is just click on the first link which I've provided in the description box of this video. It will take you to this site I'm talking about where you can mine free BNB for yourself, guys. And if you find this video useful, please do well to drop a nice comment and as well like the video, guys. So with all that being said, let's go straight into the video, guys. So right here is the free BNB mining website. This is the dashboard of this free BNB mining website by name xbnb.io, guys. So here, once you have created an account, you start mining BNB for free every single second. You can see the mining going on right here, and it's absolutely for free, guys. Basically, there are several ways you can earn BNB right here on this BNB mining website. The first one is by completing surveys. You can see there will be available surveys here. You can see all surveys. Right now, there are no available surveys right here because I've completed mine already, guys. So there will be available surveys for you here for you to carry out, and you earn some amount of BNB for free, guys. So you can see the survey partners, Time War and Pool Fish, guys. Those are the survey partners. So you can see once you are registered, you'll be given a free plan for you to be mining BNB right here on this BNB mining website. You can see my free plan, which is active with 10 THS mining speed, which is enabling the mining of BNB here on my dashboard, guys. So you can see it will last from, I started on the 25th of March 2026 and it's gonna be expiring on the 4th of April 2026, guys. So that is how it works. You can see my miner going on right here, and the mine is mining super fast, guys. So you can see my BNB mining going right here. So you can see the mining speed. I told you guys 10 THS mining speed, and my daily profit here on this website, I'll be earning 0.0000301 BNB for free on this website every single day, guys. So once you have mined, you just click on where it says harvest. So once you click on harvest, it will be your mine BNB will be withdrawn to your balance effectively, guys, without stress, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. The site has no stress. So clicking on this menu here, you're going to see, or you can see the dashboard, the reward, the deposit, the withdraw, the buy power, the referral, the frequently asked question, on the logout. Basically, I'm showing you guys the free aspect of mining here on this website. I don't advise anybody to make a deposit. I'm showing you guys the free aspect of mining. So do well to mine free. Once I've been able to withdraw free on this site, I will do a withdrawal video and show it to you guys so you guys can go on and continue mining with me, guys. So here on the referral program, you just have to copy your referral link right here. So once you copy, you can see copy successful. Share to your family and friends. I want to start mining here. You're going to be earning some commission for referring them to this website. You can as well contact them right here if you have any problem real quick, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. So here on the withdrawal page right here, you can see when you want to withdraw, you just have to just click here. You choose BNB, choose the chain type, which is blockchain, and you just click on max. Once you click on max, it will be shown right there, and there will be a fee attached of the fee of 0.003 BNB for withdrawal fee. So you solve this capture and click on withdraw, and your withdrawal will be successful. The reason why I'm not withdrawing right now is because I've not mined the minimum threshold of withdrawal, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. So if you want to start mining free BNB for yourself, just click on the link provided in the description box of this video. It will bring you to this home page, where you just have to copy your BNB address from your wallet, paste in the space provided, and your account will be created successfully, guys. So that is how to mine free BNB here on this website. So guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more latest content, guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. So if you want to be getting free updates on free mining website, just subscribe to this channel, and you are good to go, guys.